Pre-development software is built for the big players. Argus, the industry standard, costs $3,000 to $5,000 a seat and assumes you have an analyst team. But most neighborhood reshaping housing comes from small infill developers doing 8 to 40 unit projects stuck working in PDFs and spreadsheets. When a city posts an RFP for vacant lots, they have weeks to answer 4 questions. What can I build? What deadlines cost me money? Does it pencil? And how do I prove it? PencilOut answers all 4 in one sitting for the developer the big tools forgot on one Amazon Aurora database. Here's a real Milwaukee RFP. First, anchor the real site. PencilOut assembles 3 city parcels into one roughly 15,000 square foot site, zoned LB2 on the corner of Melvina. That geometry comes straight from PostGIS running inside Aurora, the same database, not a separate mapping service. Now, the question every developer asks first, what can I actually build and what constrains me? Every line carries a citation. And notice the 2 badges, some from the city code library, the platform's Milwaukee zoning corpus, some from my own uploaded documents, the RFP and design guidelines, 2 knowledge layers, 1 answer, every claim traceable. And those citations are pgvector, vector search in the same Aurora instance. A claim without a source gets flagged. We don't let it hallucinate. The RFP has teeth, a 4-month option after council approval, build within 12 months, a $10,000 deposit. PencilOut backplans those into money-linked deadlines so nothing expensive sneaks up on you. $40,000 for 15,000 buildable feet sounds like a steal. Does it pencil? PencilOut runs a napkin against source-backed market assumptions and tells the truth. As ground-up construction at market rents, it doesn't. Break-even rent is $45 a foot, more than double the market. That honest no, with the one number that sinks it, is the point. It stops me chasing a deal a hopeful spreadsheet would have sold me. Step back to the architecture. Everything you just saw, the parcel geometry, the cited zoning answer, the address search, the deal data, and the fact that you only see your own organization's deals, is one Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL instance doing 4 jobs. Most teams would bolt on a separate vector database, a geo service, and a search cluster. We didn't on purpose. When one zoning answer has to join your project, your documents, the embeddings, and filter to just your organization. That's one query in one database, or you lose consistency and tenant isolation. pgvector and PostGIS only run on classic Aurora Postgres, not DSQL, and our driver enforces row-level security on every request. One database, 4 jobs, every developer's deals walled off. That's why Aurora. From a city RFP to a cited, credible, defensible answer, zoning, geometry, deadlines, and money in one sitting. For the developer, the big tools forgot. That's PencilOut on Aurora.